Hey guys, so I know I haven't done a car vlog in a long while. I actually haven't done a vlog in a very long while. It's been super hectic, so we had to move to the farm, which meant I didn't have any time to do any edits or any uploads. So right now we are in my garage here in the farm, and as you can see I have some of my farm tools here, which is my Beta bike here, and then my Polaris, which we were servicing, but we ended up not having the proper oil or the proper oil filter for it. So this is gonna go on hold, but it's a good thing that we just had a delivery from Manila, and ever since we moved to the farm, I needed to upgrade my ride and make sure that I am farm equipped. So I want to welcome this brand new Raptor. It's a 2019 Raptor, and it's been a very interesting car. I really haven't put much miles on it or much kilometers on it, but it's an absolute hoot to drive. And I ordered some stuff for it, which is on the floor right now. So these are container bins, which are gonna go into the sides of the bed. I have a shorter antenna. I have a ratcheting system, so in case the bed isn't full, the ratchet system will actually block whichever cargo we are carrying. We also have some rigid fog lights, which we're going to be adapting. And last is the bed cover. So as you can see, the Raptor is already matte. I've sent it to Expel to get it matte filmed, and it looks so good. Right now in the farm, because we hardly use the car, the bed has a lot of spider webs and stuff. We just cleaned it out actually. But having cover will definitely help make sure that everything in the back is secure. And yeah, I mean, nothing else. So we're gonna get busy and start installing some of these things, and hopefully we will be done in the next few hours. First up on the easy install list are these cubby bins that I think are Ford original parts. I'm actually not quite sure. The instruction manual is not in the left side and it's not in the right side also, which means we gotta figure it out. So I'm guessing that's the locking mechanism, and this will be... So the taillight has to come off, and I can access these holes, so I can bolt these guys down. At ayaw nito mo nababas. Yun, nasira na. So if one side goes in, the other side is far. Unbelievable. Okay, let me squeeze this real quick. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try to do it nicely without damaging the finish. Pretty lucky I have these bolts in my little tool chest. I'm going to see if they're long enough to get in there and lock with the lock nut. Arm workout. There you go. While we're waiting for Wilson to come back, this is super easy mod. This is a shorter antenna, so we don't hit branches and all this whatnot, because that's way too long, and yeah, that's way better. Remove it with my right hand. All we need to do is bring it into the base. Voila, look at that. There you go. Next mod, baby antenna. This is the rigid fog light kit. Comes with 3 fog lights, which is Series fog light, Series Pro Spot, and then Pro Driving, and then the hardware. It's supposed to be plug and play. Rigid is supposed to be the best in the business for these off-road fog lights. It comes with its own bracketing. I have a visitor. So right now we're working on the bed cover and just checking the railings.
What do you do with the black one? Just keep it for normal batteries. Okay, so can you charge it with the battery? Yeah, of course, that's what's about. You have to. What do you put in?
It comes with it.
It comes with a.
So I bolted down these clamps, which basically squeeze the bed liner and the railing here, which creates this next railing, which is there.
Papatong na natin.
Yes. Okay, so atras ng konti. That's how it looks. Alright, finally we're going to install the drain tube. Yesterday we weren't able to finish everything on the Raptor, but we did get the bed cover on. We did get the... let's see it. We did get these fold out working and they swing out nice. What we're gonna do today is install the rigid fog lights. Since the bracket looks fairly easy and I'm kind of confident on how the positioning is gonna go, I'm gonna proceed to mount the fog lights. Okay, 6 lock washers, 2 smaller lock washers for those, I guess. Okay, my assistant is awake. Assistant, what do you think? Does it look okay? Looks legit. Yeah. The right side is finally on and it sort of looks like the business, so I'm gonna be assembling the other side. We're not gonna finish the wiring today, but I will be checking on what I need. Now I just gotta find the hot wires which come out of the cabin. It's supposed to be right here. Aux 1 is green, white, yes. Brown, blue, yes. Alright, just took all the 10 clips that are surrounding this. After that, we're gonna lay it out here, grip it up, and then just straight dropping it down. And it sort of looks like that. And then I've connected already the first fog lights. Almost. The second harness coming down, which means I'm gonna plug it to this guy. These are beautiful connectors and they're weatherproof, so they just click in, and that's that. I'm gonna be zip tying these later over here just to secure them, but hopefully everything goes according to plan and we can cleanly hide all the wiring. I don't want to see any of that. I ended up leaving up the harness open first because I have no electric tape. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. What I've done so far is I've spliced the first fog light and I've wired it straight in, and I've just grounded it real quick. I'm gonna do a quick test just to make sure everything works, and then if it does, I'm gonna finalize everything else, and then I'm going to fix all the wiring tomorrow. suited on. Everything is turned off. I'm going to start the car. That's the only way the aux switches are actually going to work. So what you have right now is pitch black outside. We're going to hit aux switch number 1. You have that light, aux switch number 2, and then aux switch number 3. Amazing. Now we're going to turn on the headlights just so you can see the kind of fill we're getting, and then check it out from outside. Look how bright. And now I want to do a night drive because it just fills up everything. This is how it looks. I think it's spot on. Fills in these gaps right here. All I need to do tomorrow is to tighten the light brackets on both sides and then fix up the wiring and the cowling to hide all the wires, and then we're done. Hey guys, so I decided to finish the Raptor. I was gonna remove the grill holder, I guess, and tuck the wires in, but this requires disassembling the headlight, so you know what, I'm gonna try again to fit it underneath. Now I have my electrical tape, so I'm going to be wrapping some of the sections so that when you look through the grill you can't see any of the red wire, and I'm gonna do this as neatly as possible in hopes to clean this all out. But last night we finished this, so I ended up soldering it and heat shrink tubing, putting my ground right here. So again, I'm just gonna clean all this up today and tighten everything down in front and proceed to tighten the fog lights also, because I was pretty happy with the throw last night and they look so good. So happy with them. Here it is. As you can see, I tried to tuck it in and hide it as best as I could and wrap the wire in electrical tape so it looks black. Goes through here, you can see some of it there, but you can't really see it through the grill, which is good. And then it goes back down there. I should have wrapped all these, but then again, it's not like I'll always be opening my hood to show off my engine. So I think it's fine. For now, we're gonna close this up and proceed to tighten the fog lights. Boom. Everything. There you go, nice and solid. Small clearance so that it doesn't vibrate on our bumper. I mean, it will touch, but only in like extreme off-road. Let us bring it into the light so you guys can see what we've done. Alright, and then we're going to turn on all the lights so that we can see if they all work. Aux switch 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 here, and I have 3 there. Beautiful. I'll show you guys what other things that we've finished since the Raptor is out in the sun. Just turn off these lights. So here we put the bed cover. So bed cover comes down. We have these fold out boxes, but we'll unfold the bed cover first so you guys can see. So the bed cover is as easy as pulling this cable and then we also have these swing out boxes. You just yank the handle. It has a lock right here which you can lock. And then I can keep my early warning device and other things, and it just swings back. locks in place. Same with the other side. This one's still empty. Oh wait, no, these were the mud flaps that didn't fit. I didn't know where to put it, so there for now, nice and secure. Have a ratcheting bar in case we load stuff and a bed's not full, and that will just basically stop it from running around as we're driving. Pretty cool stuff, and I want to thank Jesus for recommending all these things for the Raptor, and it was such a fun install, and I can't wait to get some more mods. I think I'm gonna go with some beadlock wheels, maybe a lift for the front. I'm not quite sure. So this is the new normal for me in terms of car vlog and farm life, I guess, all in one. I think I have dirt on my face, but it's part of working in the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed looking at these Raptor, because I love looking at this thing. It's such a menacing car, and the fog lights just complete the look. So super love it. See you guys again in the next vlog.